Hello everyone, get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then with the remaining tail we have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and curl up in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Drop the tail once again to the parent's loop, making a heart and lump. Then with the remaining section of the hair we have at the bottom, split them into two parts and have each section into two parts and have it into a braid. So you know how to braid it, continue doing the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side and drop the braid into the parent's loop on the twisted band and make it come down. Then combine both the braid tips together with the rubber band and stuff it inside the band we created. Once again, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the right middle of the rubber band, drop the tail into it, and grab a little tail at the left section of the hair at the back, and have a rubber band attach the middle part, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop the entire tail into the parent's lip on a twisted band, make it come down. Do the same exactly 3 times, and with the excessive part of the right side, have it split them into 3 parts, and have it into a thinner braid. Drop the braid around the lumps we have, and have it dropped inside the twisted band we have. Catch the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. The remaining section of the tail we have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and curl loop in the middle one. Drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the parent's loop once again, making the heartened loop. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into 2 sections and have each section into 3 parts and have it braided. It's the usual form of braid. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side. Drop each braid into their own loop on the parent's side. Have it combine with the rubber band. Stuff it inside the band we created and have it in place with a beautiful hairpin. Make a ponytail and hold it on top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band from the bottom and have it secured to the top. Then split the tail into 2 and have each of them into 2 parts and have it braided. This is a different form of braid. You have to grab thin strands of hair from the sides of the tail we have and have it cross over in the middle. So this is how you should braid it. So continue doing the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secured with the rubber band. So do the exact same braiding on the right side as well. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Once you complete that, have the braid cross over at the bottom and have it into a loop and make it go to the top and have it hidden behind the hairpin we have and have it in place by dropping little hairpin through it. That's it, we are done. Leave thin strands of hair on either side of the head and with the remaining section of the hair make a ponytail and with the last loop of the rubber band clear a lump at the bottom and stretch it. With the excess tail we have a rubber band attached to the middle part and curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail around the lump we have right underneath it, covering the rubber band and secure it there by dropping lovely hairpins onto that. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair at the back, split them into 2 sections and have the left section drop into the right loop in the twisted band and have it come down. With the entire right section, split them into 3 parts and have it into a thicker braid. Secure the end with the rubber band and move the braid to the top left and have the tips bent down and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Grab your lovely hair from the bottom and make your entire hair twisted and make it go to the left and fold it and have a beautiful hair clutter attached to it, hiding the tips behind the roll we have. And to enhance your hairstyle even more further, pinch out the hair on the top section to make it into a loopy design. Thank you everyone for watching this video.